In this video, I'm gonna show you how to change font size on iPhone. So let's get started. First, open Settings app on your iPhone. Now scroll down and tap Accessibility. Now tap Display and Text Size. Now from the available options, tap on Larger Text. Now at the bottom, you will find a slider using which you can change the font size on your iPhone. If you slide on the right side, the font will be increased. And if you slide on the left side, as you can see, the font will get smaller. So set the slider as per your requirement and you are done. So that is how you can change font size on iPhone. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.